How to fix messenger notification sounds not working on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your messenger application, and once you're inside here, just enable it with your face ID or your number. So passcode, I'll just enable it. So once you're inside here, just tap on this menu button at the bottom right corner and simply click on this settings option at the top. And once you're inside here, just select this option called notifications and sounds. So make sure you have enabled this, and just make sure you have disabled this do not disturb feature over here, as it may block your notification sound. And you can also set this text tone to any of the sound of your choice from over here. So once you do that, your issue should be successfully fixed. So if it's still not fixing, then in that case what you might want to do is just come back to your settings of your device, and once you're inside here, just click on and find the option called sound and haptics. So once you're inside sound and haptics, you might as well wanna set the ringtone to high alert, and always click on this haptics to always play. And you can also set the text tone from over here as well. So once you do all of that, try checking out your notification settings for the particular application from over here as well. So just like this messenger, and make sure you have enabled allow notifications from over here for everything over here as well. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe.